Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video I will tell you and also show you how to set the auto lock screen time on absolutely any of your iPhones. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video and write comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And now I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. First of all, friends, you'll need to open up your settings on your iPhone and then scroll down through the settings menu a little bit and find an option here called Display and Brightness. Go to it. After that, friends, also scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to find the Auto Lock option. And when you open it up, you'll see a little menu like this, from which you can choose how long you'd like to set the screen lock timer for. So your screen can automatically turn off after 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes. Or you can set it to never. That is, until you manually press the off button, your iPhone will not turn off. But I recommend that you don't always choose this option, because if you choose the never option, it wastes more of your phone's charge. But this is a personal matter, that is, you choose according to yourself. Once you've chosen the option you want, like this, you just have to go back out. And that way, the changes are saved. With this very simple and quite fast method, friends, you can easily set the auto lock time on any iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.